Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakarkadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a recent news article from Reuters.com. And this was updated about an hour ago on February the 4th, 2023 at 7:21 a.m. Central Standard Time. And it reads, earthquake of magnitude 5.1 strikes Eastern New Guinea. Regional EMS says. And it says a magnitude of a 5.9 earthquake struck Eastern New Guinea region on Saturday. The European Mediterranean Semiological Center EMSC says the quake struck at a depth of 104 kilometers and 64 miles below the Earth's surface. And the EMSC says revising the early report put the depth at 109 kilometers. There were no immediate reports from any injuries or damage from the earthquake. This is the book of 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people in the world, right? And that's what we're seeing, a great increasing magnitude numbers of earthquakes in diverse places, which has been increasingly as of lately, especially in the year 2023 so far. We've been seeing a good number of increases of more developing, even more and more, now more often, now than ever, the great increases of these earthquakes in diverse places. The scriptures have stated in the latter days, you're going to see a great number of increases of these magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places. And now we're starting to see it on the planet Earth. This is the book of Luke, chapter 21, verse 11, and it reads, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, famines and pestilence and fearful sights, and great signs shall there be from heaven, right? Because we're seeing they increasing, because you got two different type of pestilence, with the plagues, the potential plague is going to increase the pestilence and the weather conditions, and then we got the increasing of earthquakes in diverse places. The Heavenly Father said these things was going to happen in the latter days, because the Heavenly Father's true name is Heavenly Father Yahweh. I'm going to go back into 2nd Ezra in the Apocrypha, 2nd Ezra 9 and 2. And this is 2nd Ezra 9 and 2. Then thou shalt understand that it is a very same time when the highest will begin to visit the world which he made. Right? And that's what we're seeing. The highest, which is the Heavenly Father, Yahweh, is visiting this earth which he made with these increasing earthquakes around the world with these weather type conditions. The extreme Arctic blast of cold weather at a record breaking high, which we're currently seeing. We're seeing the increases of, like I mentioned before, the earthquakes. And we're going to see more and more and more increasing of these magnitudes of earthquakes in diverse places. And I'm going to go back to the next verse, and we'll bring it out again for edification's sake for this sit-down lesson. 2nd Ezra 9:3. Therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes and uproars in the people in the world, right? And that's what we're seeing, a great increase and uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. And we're going to see an increase of these earthquakes even more than ever. And there's this recent news of a 5.9 earthquake over there in New Guinea. As it says, a earthquake magnitude of 5.9 struck Eastern New Guinea region. So we're going to see more increases of earthquakes in diverse places, as the scriptures have said. And so with that, this was just a quick sit-down lesson that I wanted to bring out as of February 4th, 2023, from Reuters.com, of a magnitude of an earthquake 5.9 striking Eastern New Guinea. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. And I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Wakakadash. Double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.